Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2. Got that coming up next. Bill Joan Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 has arrived at my house, so we went ahead and took it for a first flight. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and test the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2. So let's get the show on the road. We got 11 satellites. GPS is ready to go. So let's take it up. Getting started. We're at 4K 30 frames per second. Let's take it up to about 100 feet or so here. We're a little bit over 100, but that's okay. Looking real good here. Horizon's looking very good too. Very pleased with that. About 1,100 feet. 1,200 feet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn around here. Bring it back the other direction. Take it down by the highway here. Right at around 22 miles an hour. Just the gimbal just a little bit here. There we go. The drone is overhead right now as we speak. Just course there just a little bit. Turn over the entrance to the development there. Hundred 118 feet. We're about 1,700 feet away. We're coming up on the highway here in just a little bit. Okay, we're at the highway. We're right at around 2,400 feet. Things are looking very good here. We're going to come back, and what we're going to do is I'm going to take some, let's go ahead, I'm going to adjust this a little bit here. Take a look at some of the cars going down the highway. At the video again, impressed with the horizon. It's looking really good here. Let's go ahead and turn it around. I'm going to head down to the entrance here. take a look. We have a little bit of a, right at the entrance, we have a water display. And we'll take a look at that. Okay, we're going to kind of stop right here. And let's go ahead and let's do some adjustments. We're going to back up a little bit. And go in this direction here a little bit. Let's go in this direction. Okay, now we're going to have to fine tune here. Okay, I'm going to take it down just a little bit here because we're at 118 feet. Let's get it down to about 75 here. $80 will do, that's good. Let's go ahead and move in a little closer. Now I'm going to drop it down just even a little bit more here. Bring it up just a little bit. A little closer. That's a pretty good view of the entrance to the development there. So all in all, this is a very good first flight for the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2. We're going to have follow-up flights. We're going to use that module and test the loudspeaker and the hook and release. So let's go ahead and test return to home here. It's rising up in altitude here. And we're on our way back. Let's go ahead. We're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal when we get overhead and take a look and see how precision landing does here. I do have it marked as on, so we'll see how it is. I did calibrate the compass before this flight. Okay, there we are. We are overhead, so let's go see how we do here. Okay, at the last second, it took a little deviation there, but for the most part, it ended up on the pad. So that concludes the first flight of the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2. Question of the day. What did you think of my first flight with the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.